Meaning of dispossess.
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 Dispossess. The term dispossess means to deprive someone of their legal or rightful possession, ownership, or control of something. The result of being dispossessed can be significant, especially for those who have been subjected to it. This may lead to a loss of personal property, housing, land, or other assets essential for survival, often as a result of eviction, forced displacement or confiscation by a governing authority or another individual. Dispossession can have long-term impacts on an individual's economic, social, and psychological well-being, as it disrupts the stability and security of their daily lives.